Hello guys, today we will review a beautiful twin LED light which is used for macro photography, and as you can see here I have placed my FXL 12x 24x macro lens and it is powered by USB. That means you connect it with power bank, or here I have connected with the USB OTG adapter is there. So if you want you can power it with your mobile phone as well, so you don't have to carry a extra power bank. The length of the wire is around 1 meter, so you don't have to worry about if you are using a power bank. You can put the power bank in your pocket and you can able to use this LED light. So the LED light is provided with a power on off button. Don't worry when you open the box and you found a tiffin box inside the box. It's good for you because the LED light is safe inside it. Inside the tiffin box you will get the twin LED light and some screws and a type C OTG cable which you can connect it with your phone, and you will get very nice lighting, and the intensity of the light is also very good. Now let's connect our lens to the light. So there are some screws are provided plus some extra screws are also there. You need only 2. So I am using currently FXL 12x 24x macro lens and I will attach this to the light. So to attach it, just put the lens clip and then put this long one and plus 2 screws and it will be tight. In my phone on OnePlus 8T there is a camera bump, so I have connected like this. But if your own phone does not have any camera bump, then you can connect like this as well. So it depends upon you how you will connect your clip with the light. You adjust it accordingly. Yeah, you are done. Now it's testing time. So this is with light, this is without light, with light and without light. Okay, so now you understood the difference between with light and without light. So without light you cannot able to see the head part details, and with light you can able to clearly see the beautiful head of the bug. Let me remind you that this I am shooting it in broad daylight and you can see the effect of that LED light. Now think about the effect of this LED light at night time or dark hours. So let's test it on top of this during this indoor scenario where lighting is less and artificial. Before that, let's enable OTG. So to enable OTG, go to settings and search for OTG and enable it. After enabling the OTG, you can able to connect the light to the USB of your phone and you can able to turn it on. So if your light is not turning on, make sure that you have enabled OTG on top of your phone. Okay, so after connecting this light, now it's on. If it is not on, then again press the power button, then only it will be on. So make sure everything before telling that this light is not working, make sure you have done all those things. Okay, so let's go for some macro shooting of this beautiful thing that I have received from my China visit during 2019. So as you can see, if I am turning this light off and I am turning the light on, you can see a huge difference between the output. Let me tell you some tips about shooting. Lock the focus, then reduce the brightness or the exposure of your phone so that you can able to take beautiful photos, and keep some black background so that it will look beautiful. This LED light is also supported with other lenses, like here I am putting Kase 75mm macro lens, and as you can see you are getting beautiful output from this lens. There are few problems with this light. When you attach the phone, these 2 pins that came out from this light will create some problem while attaching the phone to this light. So as you can see, the 2 parts are creating problem here. So if your main camera is far from the top edge or left side edge, then I will not recommend this light. The build quality of this light is very nice, but these two parts, these diffusers, are very delicate, so don't put any weight on top of that. You might not have a spare clip for attaching to this light, so better you can get a spare clip from apexel.in. Link is given in the description. That's all the review of this light, and let me know in the comments below if you like this light or not, because I liked it a lot. What is your thought? Comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.